All right. You guys, I'm gonna give some quick directions. That way you all can go ahead and get started because you guys were on time. Listen, I'm going to share my screen very quickly, and you guys just follow the protocol. I'm going to look over yesterday's lesson and figure out what was going on with it, and then after that point, I'm going to see what's going on. Okay, so yesterday, you guys remember we had just 2 assignments. Remember that you didn't have a Zoom meeting, but there was a YouTube on it. And we'll slide this over. You all can see my screen, correct? You can unmute Antonio. Cortez, you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, sir. So the YouTube video basically was just showing you what we were gonna do. And then this video, this post right here led you to this document that kind of showed you, I think, what to drop your name in. Why y'all didn't do that?
I can write on it.
I wonder why. Give me a second and see what was going on. All right, try to write on it now, Antonio. All right, because that was the way y'all was supposed to get your points. Maybe it locked you out. Okay. All right, Gertasia, try to write on that document from day 14. And while you're doing that, y'all remember we supposed to have done a descriptive frame. This was the example in case you had these documents, and then this was the example of events. And then, of course, you had the student version where you could do in Google Docs, and you were supposed to kind of fill in the middle, whatever title you had, and then, answer your who, what, when, where, why, how. Y'all had that. And then I did the Google Classroom kind of video to show you what you were supposed to be doing. Right here, I gave you your titles. And all you had to do was scroll down on the doc. You're supposed to be able to write on this. All right. So this is everybody that's in the classroom, I think. All right. Antonio Guerra. I see Antonio Brown. Why didn't I put your 5th period? Okay. That's confusing. Why that is that. I guess you were supposed to be Antonio Guerra, but some kind of way you became Antonio Brown. Anyway, you did do U.S. Constitution yesterday though, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how about your name? Okay. Gertasia, you had U.S. Constitution, so you guys were actually working together, you and Antonio. So you could work together if you wanted to. So basically, that was yesterday. So on today, if you already have your descriptive frame done, you're going to use that information and you're going to convert it to Google Slide. So that's the first thing I wanted to show you all with the lesson itself. So pretty much the other stuff should be done. Create your slide from yesterday. And then you're going to do the Acellus lessons. And then your current event is going to be due tomorrow, 11:59 p.m. So this, what I put up on as a post, it's basically showing you that this is what your current event is. And then this is the Google Slide. And so I think I put them in 2 places. Yeah, I put it here and there. So on this post, it basically shows you and tells you what to do. All your inputs, everything's supposed to be done. And then you're going to open this up. All right. And as you see, I have the topics on them already. Like Xavier, they had first and second Continental Congress. So you're going to take the document that you had, your topic, whichever one you are from day 14, and you've already done a descriptive frame on it. So you're going to take your information and put it where it needs to be. So in your cases, you guys, the U.S. Constitution, just make sure you add a nice picture in it. If you need a multiple slides for that, just hit duplicate slide, and you can change it to be whatever you want it to be. So what I would like you to do, and I'll make 2 slides for that. You all do your own slide, but let me tell you how to do it. So when you get in, what you need to do, I'm just duplicating the slide so you all can write on it. All right. So that's done. All right. So what you need to do is this Google descriptive frame that you have, it got the information on it. And so basically when you open it up, and I'm not talking about this, I'm talking about the completed one, go ahead and go in your Google Doc, open it up, and your answers for who, what, when, where, why, how. Huh? Your answers for who, what, when, where, why, how, you're going to put it on the Google slide. Make it look very creative. Make sure that it doesn't change anybody else. So because you guys are U.S. Constitution, what I want you to do, I got 2 slides. Only write your information on it, but what you're going to write is you choose. Here it is. Antonio, one of you do what, why, and when. And then the other one do who, where, and how. Okay? That way I can give you all a grade for doing equal work. So don't worry about Gertasia. So which one are you going to pick, Antonio and Gertasia? Which one? You can either do what, why, and when, or you can do who, how, and where.
I'll do who, how, and what.
All right. So Gertasia, do what, why, and when. But you guys need to talk about y'all information that you found to make sure y'all on one accord. Make sure the information is right. And then you're going to post it on this second part. And you don't really have to post it, but you can. And so the second part is the Google Slide portion. In other words, in day 15, Google Slide. So just turn it in. Just turn the same link back in because, see, I got it. But this is going to show me who did what. Now, after you get that done, you want to narrate on your slide. This video shows you how to do it. You're going to put your voice on it. The reason why I want you to do the slides is because this will help you on your test and quiz when it comes back up. So everybody's narration should be on that. So make sure you watch that video. Let me know if there are any complications in you doing it. And then in Acellus, I have the lessons that you need to do 33 through 50. And then you can take the Unit 3 exam and just go to number 56 and just stop. Don't go beyond 56. Okay, so do 56 and just stop. Because if you go ahead, it's going to put you in another lesson. All right, are there any questions about what you guys need to do?
No.
Okay, so listen, I'm going to keep this on. You all keep it on. Go ahead and open up your descriptive frame. Open up your drive. It should be in there, or you can open it up from the lesson. And then in Acellus, I'm going to share my screen to show you all in Acellus what you all need to be completing. I can show you the actual steps. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen to do that, and then that's going to be it. It's not like the SHAR. It looked like it were 2 different links to get in class or something. Reach out to the SHAR if any one of you know her and see what's going on with that, because it's not like her not to be in class as soon as I get done. Alright, so the lessons in Google Classroom again is 33 through 50. I'm going to share what that looks like. 33 through 50. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Alright. So, can you all both see that on the screen? Antonio and Gertasia, y'all can see that?
Yes.
Alright, so you know that you already supposed to have done your Unit 2 exam. I think this is a special lesson. In Acellus, you guys are gonna have a suitcase. Just open the suitcase. If you see the other one, do the same thing. But the first one is structure of the articles. So you might want to do this if yours is up. But alright, so you got 33 through 53, I think. Isn't that what I said? Let me see. Let me make sure. And I told you to stop when you get to 56. That's what I said. So 33 through 56. Alright. And so that's 11:59 tonight. You want to make sure you do those. Remember your video, answer the question. 35, or should I say 33 through 56. Alright. So that's it, you guys. I'm going to put it on pause, on mute. Any of you have questions? Okay, I'm gonna stop
No, sir.
share. All right, that's it for today.